a 921 though.
Let's go ahead and begin.
Go ahead.
Good morning. My name is Janet Sting, hearing officer for this morning's blight ordinance hearing. This hearing is being held to consider the following items. Citation number 213-84683 at 124 Italy Avenue, 213-89019 at 3014 22nd Street, citation number 213-89143 at 342 Grant Avenue, and two hardship hearings, citation SR 223-6375 at 1924 Mission Street, and SR 221-7529 at 144 Townsend Street. All of which are property appeals by property owners disputing the designation of blight existing on their properties, and again, just two hardship hearings. This hearing is being recorded, and a sign-in sheet is at the front, so please be sure to sign in for our records, and so that if necessary, we can contact you in the future regarding the item you are here for. No decisions will be rendered today, but the department will notify you of the determination within 10 days. This hearing will proceed as follows. I will read the citation. Those who intend to speak shall be sworn in by the clerk. The Department of Public Works will have up to 3 minutes to present its case. The appellant or property owner will have up to 3 minutes to present testimony. Then I will take public comments. After public comments, the department will have up to 1 minute to present a rebuttal. Then the appellant will have up to 1 minute for a rebuttal. As I call you up, please clearly state your name into the microphone before presenting your testimony. So let's begin with citation number 213-89019 at 3014 22nd Street. So who would like to speak? You would like to speak? Okay, so I guess the clerk will swear you in.
Swear both of them in.
I'll swear both of them in, okay.
Good morning. Please state your names for the record and who you're representing.
My name is Enos. I'm representing Public Works.
Ma'am?
Oh, my name is Kendra. I'm representing the McGough family. Yeah, on 3014 22nd Street, Apartment 1.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear that the testimonies you're about to give today is the truth to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
You can have a seat, ma'am. Public Works was.
Good morning. On Tuesday, March 26, 2019, while inspecting my zone, I discovered uncontainerized items abutting the city can on the corner of 22nd Street at Shotwell. Upon further inspection, I noticed food packaging, household items, and 3 mailings addressed to Kendra Turner at 3014 22nd Street, Apartment 2. This 3-unit property is located 4 buildings from the city can where this illegal dumping took place. During my investigation, Recology confirmed they have service records listed for 2 units, not 3. Based on the evidence present during my inspection at 8:35 that Tuesday morning, I issued a citation to the owner and tenant of this property for MPC 35, which states it is unlawful for any person to deposit any household garbage, refuse, waste collected within any residence in, on top, or alongside such litter receptacles. And MHC 280, which states, no person shall deposit, dump, or cause to be dumped or deposited upon any street, land, or lots within city and county of San Francisco. And so I also took some photos of the city can, the items that were there. There we go. So this shows the household items. These are two of the mailings that I found there, and then also I walked down to the residence and took a photo of the names that were on the screen, or that were on the doorbell to show the 3 units. And then this is just a further shot, a bigger shot of the conditions that I found at the city can, and also the last mailing. And that's all I have.
Thank you. Would the appellant like to speak on this item?
Hi. Honestly, I do have the proof, the pictures that you did take. That is my address. I cannot deny that. But also, I've been living here for over 12 years of my life, and I've never gotten a citation. And again, I do not usually dump my trash over here on the street. Honestly, I can't remember on Tuesday morning because, again, we do take out trash Wednesday nights. Actually, how all of my documents have gotten here. But again, I do not feel like I need to pay, again, $250 for this citation. Honestly, on this corner that I've lived for 12 of my years, there's always trash like this over on that corner, especially furniture, just like in this picture shows. There's a little stool table there. I cannot own up to all of that, and I feel like, again, the citation amount is definitely way too much that I can't even afford right now. But again, like I said, I cannot deny that that is my address that is listed. That is not my trash. I cannot own up to that, no.
Okay, thank you. So do you normally dump your trash into, I guess, the 2 receptacles that I guess
Yes,
are
on Wednesday night.
Wednesday night? Okay, so you do put your trash in the 2, even though there are 3 tenants listed, it seems. Okay.
Correct.
How did that trash get there, do you think? I mean, it seems like there's packages with your name on there.
Yes. I really just do not know. I did not purposely put it there. Like I said, I usually put the recycling all the way and the trash that we have all the way in the basement. So again, this is just, I'm just appalled. I really don't know. Again, this is why I'm here. This citation, this is crazy.
So you basically are disputing that none of these items are yours, and,
No, I'm saying that me personally putting them on the corner, no.
okay. Okay, thank you. Would Public Works like to, okay, thank you. So that closes this item. Okay. Okay. So resuming the hearing this morning, the next item is citation number 213-89143 at 342 Grant Avenue. May I have Public Works?
Are you going to swear me in?
Please state your name for the record.
Peachy Mathias.
Thank you. Do you solemnly swear that the testimony you're about to give today is the truth to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Go ahead.
On Wednesday, March 26, 2019, I was on a scheduled inspection of this area when I came upon numerous bins out on Harlan Alley, one of which belongs to this address. Although this location has a scheduled service on this day, City Code states that the bins cannot be put out until 6 p.m. or later. Then it must be brought in once a business is open for customers. This particular business is a hotel. This location has been warned previously on 11/19/15 for the same code violation. Because the violation continues, I issued a citation for Public Works Code 170A. Also, after the citation was issued, Public Works returned on 4/14/19 and issued another notice for the same code violation.
Thank you. I do not see anyone from the public who would like to speak on this item.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
all right. Thank you.
Excuse me, I was also here for citation number 213-84686, 124 Italy Avenue, and that person has not showed up, so.
We'll do that as well. Yeah, I was just going to ask Nathan about that.
Okay.
Let's do that one as well. Okay. Moving on, let's go back to citation number 213-84683 at 124 Italy Avenue. I guess Public Works is the only representative here.
Morning. Please state your name for the record.
Sevilla Mann?
Thank you. Do you solemnly swear that the testimony you're about to give today is the truth to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Thank you. On Saturday, March 2nd, 2019, while performing a routine inspection in District 11, I found a couch and mattress in front of 124 Italy Avenue. I then confirmed the property is owned by Hong Kong Family Trust and verified with Recology Refuse Collection Service is under me, Lou Ren, with 16-gallon trash, 64 recycle bins, and 32-gallon compost, all serviced on Monday. As the mattress and couch were set on a sidewalk on a non-collection day and no scheduled pickup in front of the residence, I issued a citation to property owner Hong Kong Family Trust for violating Municipal Health Code 280 and Public Works Code 63A.
Okay, Thank you.
Thank you.
So no one from the public on this, so that will close this item as well. Thank you. Hearing officer for this morning's hearing. This hearing is being held to consider item number SR 223-6375 at 1924 Mission Street. This is a hearing, basically a hardship hearing. This hearing is being recorded, and a sign-in sheet is at the table. So please be sure to sign in for our records so that if necessary, we can contact you in the future regarding the item you are here for. No decisions will be made at this hearing, but the department will notify you of the determination within 10 days. This hearing will proceed as follows. I will read the citation. Those who intend to speak will be sworn in by the clerk. The Department of Public Works will have 3 minutes to present its case. The appellant or property owner will have 3 minutes to present testimony. Then I will take public comments. After public comments, the department will have up to 1 minute to present a rebuttal. Then the appellant will have up to 1 minute for a rebuttal. So let's go ahead.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Please state your names for the record.
Alicia Webb, Public Works.
Ankit Sahu, Sahu Brothers LLC.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear that the testimonies you're about to give is the truth to the best of your knowledge?
I do.
I do.
Thank you.
Please have a seat, sir.
Okay, this hearing is for 1924 Mission Street, service request 223-6375. Block is 3554, lot 003A. Hearing date is today, April 23rd, and it shows here that the property was posted on February 7th, 2019, and the first class mail was sent to the property on the same day, 2/7/2019. The hearing was requested on April 5th. Property owners, Sahu Brothers, is that it? Okay. And I am Alicia Witt, representative of Public Works. And the extent of the graffiti is in the front of the building. So now I will show you photos. So this right here is actually the block lot history of all the times the property has been posted for having graffiti. It dates back to 2012, which they had, it looks like 4 incidents in, no, 2005, I'm sorry. 1 incident in 2005, 2 incidents in 2006, 1 incident 2007, 2008, 1 incident, 2009, 3, 2010, 3, 2011, 1, 2012, 4, 2013, 5, 2014, 5, 2015, 7 incidents, 2016, 3 incidents, 2018, 2 incidents, and so far we have 2019 with 1 incident. And this is just the block lot history. I'm getting to the photos. So this is actually the notice of violation that was posted on the property. Hardship hearing confirmation letter. This was actually the notice that was posted. The notice prior was the one that was mailed to the property owner. So this is the notice of violation that was posted on February 7th, 2019 on the property. So if you go from February 7th, you see the graffiti on the right-hand side and also the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, on March 10th, it shows that the graffiti is growing. March 10th, these are some more photos of the graffiti not being abated and growing. The graffiti was abated on March 14th, and it seems like there was new graffiti found. So that's all I have for this property. Also, I do have a letter that I would like to bring over to you. It's from Hillary Ronan. It is a letter of support on behalf of Peruvi. So I'll give that to you also.
Okay, thank you. Go ahead.
Good morning. I don't have a presentation, but what I would like to point out and thank Ms. Witt for bringing out the history on graffiti. We acquired the building in 2013, prior to which it was managed as an auto body shop, and there was active people coming in and out. So the number of instances were much lower than the 5 and the 7. And she says 1 for this year, but number for my mind is 3 or 4. What has happened is we've since 2018 actively, since we got our planning permits, actively coming in and out of the building and are making the transient people be accounted or leave the premises in front of our building, which is irritating them to the point that the graffiti is increasing and they're putting whatever sign they are for us. We feel threatened at the moment, which we are working with the local police department, Captain Gitano, on helping us help. Police knows us. They have clearly said that it is a right of the transient people to sit on the curb. There is no law in San Francisco unless they build a permanent structure that they can arrest. We have identified that there is drug dealing that is going on in that corner. They don't really sit there as their home, but it's a spot for them to attract their local customers, which we are having a lot of problems with. So essentially, at this point, we've been cited for $320 because the last graffiti, which was on March 10th, which we abated, we were tagged the next day itself. And we communicated with Ms. Witt, DPW, Ms. Ronan, that we cannot continue to keep putting our painters and us at risk because these people are now being hostile toward us. We failed to abate the April 15th deadline because our painter was refused. He ran away because these people came hostile, in which case has put us in a fine of $320. Plus, we have another abatement to do before May 9th. It is continuous abatements that are making us unable to understand which one is what, because every day there is graffiti. If you recall, we were given a hardship permission in 2016, and through that period, the graffiti completely died off. So in a sense, we understand if city is maintaining, these people don't really go after it because they know city is going to come and abate. they're trying to put money on to us for each time we abate. It's $110 for the painters to come. And at this point, we request a removal of the $320. We are happy to abate right away. We have the paint, but we are assuring you that if we abate today, tomorrow morning you'll have another graffiti coming up there. So the solution in our sense is the city to show to these people that they are on our side. We are working with law enforcement. We are working with supervisors and the mayor's office to figure out how to reduce a spot in front of our building, which essentially, as I said, is a peddling spot. So we, again, hope we can have a city maintained period and a removal of the fine of $320, which I would like to submit if you like, or
Okay, I can take it.
I can, after I take a photo. Thank you, Mayor.
Okay, thank you.
No, that's fine. I was just looking at your paperwork.
And sorry, in addition to Ms. Ronan's letter, I would like to submit the email which we wrote promptly on the March 13th instance of having graffiti time and again. And the fine.
April 18th.
Yeah, this is the April 18th. We didn't know whether we are supposed to do it as a confusion.
Right, right.
So we are just trying to get this resolved today once and for all and see what the solution is for us.
I see here that, the date on this notice was April 18th. So as of right now, there is not a $320 fine. It still gives them a certain amount of time to remove the graffiti before the fee is enforced.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Right,
May
so
9th.
you don't have anything right now. But this is your copy. Here you go.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I don't have any questions. I will make my decision, and you will be notified in 10 days, within 10 days. Thank you so much.
All right, nice meeting you. Thank you very much.
All right, so continuing this morning's hearing, so the next item is citation number SR 2217529 at 144 Townsend Street. I guess, do we need to swear anyone in? Okay, so it's basically the same person from last time from Public Works, Alicia Witt, so we'll go ahead with the presentation.
I don't even think I need to present.
Okay,
So this is just for 144 Townsend Street, service request 2217529 for 1030.
okay, right. No one here from the public, so I don't see the owner or any representative. So that concludes this item as well, and also the hearing. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.